2, 1, power up.
And they're off. Machines here in qualifications match number 70, the autonomous period. An early score from the Harlem Knights machine, followed by the Code Red Ithaca machine. Both getting those switches going early here in the autonomous period. 2 points per second in the opening period. Drivers take control. Blue with the slight advantage, getting that auto run as well. 156 immediately going on the offensive, going for their opponent's switch, trying to take that down and cease any sort of scoring from the Red Alliance. 378 and 639 scoring simultaneously on the front side of the arcade. They tilt the scale in favor of the Red Alliance. They will start cutting the deficit here. 533 pouring these power cubes onto their side of the switch. And Red continues to go for this scale. 639 and 378. Back to back in there. Null territory with a minute and a half in play. 1660, the Harlem Knight machine is the one in control of the exchange. Tearing apart that power cube stack, going back and forth into the exchange where they're going to trade those in for some power-ups later in the match. Blue in ownership of the switch, Red in ownership of their switch and the scale. But 156 is contesting. Here's our first power-up. Blue Alliance, they use a levitate. Good for a climb and 30 points. Red Alliance with the slight advantage here, 145 to 132 with just 1 minute left in play. Power cubes quickly depleting from the field here as we get our second power-up. Blue Alliance, level 3 boost, boosting the points gained just from their switch, unless they can take advantage of the scale in the 10-second period, which they don't do. They cut the deficit and take the lead for a short period of time, but Red will catch up. Here comes the Blue Alliance. They use a level 3 force, forcing ownership of their switch and the scale. It's back and forth, 30 seconds left. Who's gonna make it in time? 156 RPM is on their way up. Code Red Robotics trying to do it for Red. 18 seconds left. Red Alliance with the advantage. Ithaca is up in the air. 10 seconds left for Red. A bar is out. 5 seconds for the Circuit Stompers. 378 is up in the air as time expires. Here come your scores for that last match. It is the Red Alliance who takes the victory. A score of 364 to 311 in one of the best matches we've seen here at Finger Lakes. Despite the loss, Blue will take home one.